Continue sharing taking care of our planet and cook delicious meals? Stay in this video. Hi, I'm Ingrid. Our mission from now on is to reuse. I love reusing. Try to get food in containers that can be recycled or reused. For example, plastic containers with the recycling code number 5, PP, name here, or glass. At the end of this video, I'll show you how I reuse containers in my kitchen or at home. Now, let's continue with the recipe. Lentils hamburger. Here are the ingredients for 4 lentils hamburgers. First thing to do is to hydrate 1 cup of lentils for 2 hours. After this time, rinse them very well. Wash the vegetables and cut them the way needed for your food processor or blender. I have here ready 1 clove of garlic, a little bunch of parsley, a small sliced carrot, a chunk or piece of beetroot, and half sliced green pepper. Now we're ready for processing all the ingredients. Add the spices like the smoked paprika and the cumin to the food processor. It could be added while processing too. Add the vegetables and the lentils with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's blend everything. Start with giving pulses. If you have this option, do it for 30 seconds to break little by little the vegetables. Open the lid, clean the walls of the jar and incorporate it to the mix. Cover again and blend for 1 minute. Here's the consistency we want. We can still see little pieces of veggies. Transfer lentils mix to a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of almond flour or corn. Mix everything well until incorporated and let it sit for 5 minutes. In the meantime, wash and cut tomatoes, lettuce, kale, and onion. Have the rest of the ingredients ready for the hamburgers, like the soy cheese, avocado, and pickle. This is optional, but I like to saute a little bit the onion with half tablespoon of barbecue sauce and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to give some sweetness to the hamburger. We're going to prepare a simple guacamole to give some flavor to the bread. Smash the avocado, add half tablespoon of apple vinegar, half tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. At the end, add the diced pickle. Alright, the fun part. Divide the mix in 4 portions. Make balls with each portion and then flat the bowl. Fry each lentil patty with half tablespoon of olive oil. Finish the form of the patty on the pan and use a spatula to give shape on the edges. Fry it at low temperature for 10 minutes the first side and around 7 minutes on the other side of the patty. I think this part is even funnier. Let's build the hamburger. First cut buns in half and place them in the plate you're going to serve. Before building the hamburger, check the bottom part of the bread so we work in that side. Spread some guacamole on the bread and place some lettuce or kale or both on top. Then put some tomato slices and the sauteed onion. Looking good. I have placed the slice of soy cheese on top of the hot patty to warm it a little bit for a couple minutes before it was ready. Now, from pan to serve right away. Optional, spread some mustard to the other half of the bun. I love to find mustard in my hamburger. Okay, let's finish the dish. Wow, I can't wait to try it, but there is something extra for this dish, some baked potatoes. And voila, a very healthy, nutritious hamburger. Enjoy! Check this link for baked potatoes recipe. Here I have some instant tea containers that my husband used to buy. I don't let him buy them anymore. I introduced him to real brew tea. I reuse them for freezing some fruits for smoothies. Since they are plastic code 5, I can do so. I checked that container and lid are the same composition. I love them because it's the perfect size and amount for a personal portion. Alright, 3 awesome combinations for smoothies. I also use them for saving my chamomile flowers and my green tea bags. Remember this plant-based butter container? Well, I reuse it to save some spare parsley that I don't use during the week. In the supermarket you don't find smaller bunches, so I have to save some fresh for the salads and then I use the frozen one for cooking soups or rices. I also freeze spinach when I have too much for a week. All these containers are code 5. And are you reusing? Thanks for watching. If you like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share. Bye!